Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install KineMaster without using Google Play Store. This method works only on Android phone. First, unlock your Android phone. Now open the Google Chrome or any browser on phone. In the search bar, type KineMaster, APK download and search. Once a trusted website from the search list, open it. Now tap on the download APK button. The file will start downloading. Wait until the download is complete. After downloading, tap on the APK file. Your phone may show the message saying install block. Don't worry, tap on the setting. Now turn on allow from the source or allow unknown app. Go back and tap install. Wait a few seconds. Once the installation is complete, tap open, and that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.